Hi, this is Keith Hall and welcome back. In this next video in this series, we're going to learn how to create the header section or header panel for this gym template. We're going to learn about coloring the header. We'll import the logo image. We're going to create the menu element along with this text here. In future videos, we'll learn how to hook up each menu element, so when we click on it, it's going to scroll to its specific section. The reason why we can't do it right now is because we don't have the sections or panels created yet, so we were unable to scroll to that area yet. So as we make them, we'll do that. So let's go into the Cheetah or the Builderall dashboard. Once you log in, you're going to have an area looking like this. Now, you may not have all these individual apps installed on your dashboard, but that's fine. Right now, I have the Cheetah Builder over here. You can place your Cheetah Builder anywhere that you want, but if the other way to access it is go up to the menu, hover over Apps, and if you scroll over here to the left, it says Cheetah Builder. So once you click on the Cheetah Builder app, it's going to bring you to this page here. It's going to display all your websites that you created so far. And if this happens to be your first website, nothing will be displayed here. So to create a new website, go up here to the upper right, click on Create New Site, come here to the left and choose a professional template. And then once this loads up, you'll look over here to the left and select blank template, and you hover over this and just click on select this. Once you do that, it's going to create the site for you. Okay, I already created my site. So what we initially should do is come over here to the site settings over here on the left, and let's name our website. You can name it anything that you want. Just right now I got my title to be Gym Template, and the address URL is also named Gym Template with a hyphen between the two words. And I also have, we'll learn more about this, but I have the Made with Builderall affiliate button, and that will appear at the bottom of your site. So if you're an affiliate, you will display this icon at the bottom, and I'll go over here. If I scroll over here, let's move this guy. This is the Made with Builderall icon. That's what I'm referring to. So I'm going to put this back over here. Let's go back over here. And wrong tab. Okay. Once you make these changes up here, always make sure you come up here and click on Save. Okay. Let's go back over here to My Pages. Also, when you're doing something like this, also make sure you not only save it, but you republish your website. So click on this also. Let's go back to My Pages. And now let's click on these three dots, the ellipsis, and click on Settings. And this is the page settings. So I named my page Home. I made the title Home. The address URL is going to be Home. And if we scroll down, there's no other settings for right now, but we'll come back to this page later on because I'm going to show you how to create a shared image here and upload it. And this button right here, is this the home page? So in other words, each site may have multiple pages to your website, and you want to mark one of them as your home page. So in other words, when you navigate, go into the address URL and type in your website name, and whatever page is set to be the home page, it will automatically direct to that home page. So let's go back to my pages. Now let's click on the edit button here. Give it a second to load up. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create the menu. So this automatically comes up, so let's go ahead and delete these elements. Right now there's a box element. Let's go ahead and delete it because we don't need it at this point. And now we're going to create the menu. So if we come over here and let's see, let's open up this guy here. And we're going to add a panel. Or actually, let's see, let's scroll down here. Let's click on the menu element. And there's many different types that you can choose from. So right now, I'm just going to select any one of these and then we'll modify it. Okay, let's move this over here. And we're going to modify this. So I'm going to go back and forth to, since this website is already created, I'm going to go back to the editor for this website and let's mock all the change all the properties to what is already made here. It's a lot easier. So let's go back over here. Let's go over here. And now we're going to select the menu item and let's make sure all these items are the same. So the general settings is it's going to be centered. So let's go over here. Let's click on the menu item, select the edit icon or pencil icon, general settings, and it's already centered. The mobile effect, menu effect, let's see what it is on this one. Okay, it's selected none. Okay, let's select the background color. Is a solid color. Okay, just a second. That's for the menu. And it's set to transparent. So let's before we do that, let's go over to the panel itself and select the panel color, which is this black color. So what we're selecting the panel, select the icon. Let's see, and that should be under background settings. And it's set to a solid color, so we're going to select this and we're going to copy this code right here. And let's go to this panel, edit it, go to the background settings properties, set the solid color, and now we're going to copy that code in here. So now the background color is it matches that. Now let's go over to the original website. Go over to the edit here. We already set that. Maximum general colors. We need to set it to transparent. Okay, that's already set to transparent. Okay, we're going to go to the next property after setting the general colors, and we're going to go down to the burger menu. And we're going to set that to be centered. And we're going to check mark this show close icon. And the burger menu icon color is going to be black. And the burger menu background color is going to be set to white. What that means is, let's go back to the already published site and let's collapse this and let's scroll up. This is the burger menu on the mobile website, and this right here, the three horizontal lines, is what they call the burger icon. So the color of that icon is black, and the background color of this is going to be white. And when you open it up, we have this X as the close icon. So that's what that means. Let's go back here. Okay, the next item that we're going to go to is we're going to select the item property. The item property is your menu items. Okay, so let's go over to the already published site in the editor, and let's see how this is all set up. Item. So we know we got the spacing to be 0. Height of the menu item is 50. Lateral spacing of items is 130. So let's change this to 0, 50, and 130. Item 0, 50, and 130. Let's go down here. Let's scroll down here. Let's do it this way. Okay. So now that matches. Now let's go back to the already published site in the editor, and let's change all these menu items that we have here. Let's first change the font style of the menu items, which is this font. We're going to change it to font style 15. The font family is Montserrat. And let's see. So let's go ahead and do that. Montserrat. Let's see the border color. Let's go over back here. Border color is white. Border shape is solid. Okay, we're going to continue this on the next video after this. So watch out for that next video, and I'll see you there. Bye now.